Is it possible to build the perfect loudspeaker? I'm fascinated by what makes things work and sound better, and the connection is music. I think I couldn't survive a day without listening to beautifully reproduced music. You can go so far with technical simulations and measurements on loudspeakers, but there comes a point, and this is something Spendor has recognised for the last 40 years, when you get close to what is a pretty good technical performance, you have to start listening. Unlike some designers, we're driven to find links between technical measurements and the things that we actually hear, and so we put a huge amount of emphasis into listening. One might think that a small 5 to 10% improvement in a loudspeaker, is it a big deal? Well, it's quite noticeable, but if you make 5–10% improvements, you've improved a quality 50%. That's a massive improvement that anybody can hear. In the real world, people live in many different environments, and increasingly people live in quite small rooms. What we've done is we've actually taken account in the engineering and design of our loudspeakers ways to minimise that interaction so that you get good and consistent sound even in what one might call less than perfect acoustic environments. In some of our internal marketing analysis, we came up with a concept of the colour of music. As we developed it, we realised it relates beautifully to the colour of sound. There is such a connection inside humans' minds in terms of their perception of colours and music that is now being scientifically researched, and some of the evidence is incredible over the astonishing perception that humans have and the fact that they actually hear sounds the same but don't necessarily all interpret them in the same way.